Good morning, everyone. Hope you are all doing well. So, this is Rita. Today, I will conduct your guest interview training session. So, please type in the chat box yes if you can hear and see my screen properly. Janatul Firdaus, can you hear me now properly? Okay, thank you so much for your response. Uh, this is Rita. So today I will conduct your precast interview preparation for DBA, Doctorate of Business Administration. And in this cast interview training session objective will by the end of this session, you will understand how the DBA program is assessed and learn expectations for research and Viva preparation, understand the doctoral research journey, explore future career opportunities after graduation, and gain confidence about academic and professional development. So if you have any question after presentation, we have one-to-one counseling session and question session. Please wait until the presentation will complete. Okay. So first topic is understanding assessment and research journey. So, overview of the DBA structure. DBA structure will program journey, critical literature review, research proposal, advanced research thesis, and Viva. And key focus will apply research, industry relevance, independent thinking, professional contribution. And how you will assess in this DBA course. Informal assessment throughout the program. It will continue a supervisor feedback, research guidance and monitoring, annual doctoral colloquium presentations, mock Viva sessions for confidence building. And why this matter is helps you to improve gradually and build research confidence, reduce pressures before final thesis defense. And the first module will critical literature review. And in this module, the assessment details will approximately 7,000 words assignment and review existing academic literature, identify research gaps, and demonstrate critical thinking. And you must need to show your academic reading skills, analytical ability, understanding of research trends, and common challenge will summarizing instead of critically analyzing. And second, research proposal will assessment details will be approximately 7,000 words assignment and define research problem and research objective and questions methodology and research design and ethical consideration. And you must demonstrate clear research direction, feasible methodology, and professional relevance. And then in the final thesis and Viva module, we'll advance research project, which is 40,000 to 50,000 word thesis and original applied research and pass or fail assessment and Viva. Um, you are expected to defend research finding, explain methodology choices, demonstrate subject expertise, respond confidently, and examiners. After Viva, supervisor will give you feedback and correction, final submission, and approval. These are the modules and their explanation. And then my second topic will future career opportunities after DBA course. And okay, so
Така задана искам да кажа, да има и
okay. So, value of doctoral level qualification will DVA helps you become industry expert and develop leadership capability, improve analytical thinking, solve organizational problems scientifically, and build academic and professional credibility. You can choose your fields. And then after DBA, you have lots of opportunities to develop your career. If you want in academic careers, then you can join as a university lecturer, researcher, academic consultant, and thesis supervisor, corporate trainer. And if you want to join in industry level careers, then you can join as a senior management, strategy consultant, business analyst, and organizational development specialist, policy advisor. And then, how to answer question about the assessment when your CAS interview will conducting a supervisor, then he or she can ask you, do you understand how the program is assessed? Then you need to explain with your modules and your research assignment about your viva and also already I mentioned everything about your modules. And then your good response will be, I understand the program includes a literature review, research proposal, and final thesis with a viva. And I also understand continuous feedback from supervisors and colloquium presentation are important parts of the learning process. And for this question, how will you assess for this course? Important thing you need to mention continuous assessment and feedback. So you can note this point for this question answer: continuous assessment and feedback, importance of supervisor guidance, research proposal and literature review stages, final thesis and viva defense, commitment to academic improvement. And you can find everything in your course website. So can you please type in the chat box your university name? Uh, After that, I can give you the course link. It will be helpful for you to research about your course modules and assessment, everything. So I'm sending you personally your course link, and you can find all of these things about these questions. Okay. So if they ask you about assessment, you need to mention continuous assessment and feedback, importance of supervisor guidance and research proposal and literature review stages, final thesis and viva defense, commitment to academic improvement. So these options you must need to mention on this answer. And then, if they ask you about your future career, then the example question will be, what are your future career goal, or how will the DBA help your career? Why is this qualification important for you? Then you can respond, I want to strengthen my leadership and research skills so I can contribute more effectively in industry and potentially move into academic research, consultancy, or senior management roles. And you can also add other options, or you can add everything about your field, your interested field area. And strong career related points will be for this question answer. You must need to mention leadership development, academic career opportunities, research expertise, professional creativity, and strategic decision making skills, organizational problem solving ability. So for the future career goal, you can note these points and you can add on your answer these points so that you can answer properly for this question. And if you have any question, please type in the chat box and try to give you the solution. Do you have any question? Okay. T-side, Sophia, Gloucester Station, Northampton, and T-side. Okay. Also, you can mention your WhatsApp number with your university name so that I can identify and give you the course link on your WhatsApp. Okay, if you have any question about course assessment and your future career topic, please let me know. Okay, Sophia, Gloucestershire, Northampton, and Teesside. I'm sending you the post link.
Hi, Rikta. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So are you gonna share this presentation with us?
If you want, I can share with you.
Oh, please, because if we need to prepare ourselves, I think we need this presentation, how to articulate the answer so that we can practice.
Okay, Sophia, already I sent you universities links and you need to research about your assets, the course assets and future career. Future career already I okay. Okay, about future career, I will send you the important points. Okay, so I have one more question about you. Did you join our previous PCAS interview session? If yes, please type in the chat box yes. And did you completed our homeworks? Please let me know on the chat box. Did you completed homeworks our previous session? Okay, Pratap, yes. Thank you so much, Pratap. Sophia, I couldn't done the second one. Why? It's very important for your CAS interview. When you will get response from university, you need to prepare yourself properly for the interview. Fahad, yes. Okay. Jonathan Fidus says, okay, thank you so much. And today, I will give you the homeworks for next session. So please make sure all of you will submit your homework because it's very, very important. And in our next session, our counselor will ask you from today's CAS interview session. So you need to prepare the question answers properly. And if you have any doubt, please let me know on WhatsApp. I will try to help you according to your profile and how you need to explain the question answers. Okay. So yes. Okay, Fahad said, please share this live. Okay, I will share with you.
Sana, baby ma'am lấy later.
Yes,
Is it
Nita.
later? Is it mom lấy nó qua chắc. Mẹ baby ni mom lấy hết chắc.
Okay, I will send the presentation slides. So you can make your answers according to your profile, and I'm gonna share with you the homework for next session. And your homework will, do you understand how the DBA program is assessed? And you need to make this question answer according to your profile, and you need to research on your course website. In your course website, you will find about assessed. And my second question will, how will the DBA support your future career goals? So you can choose your future career field and make this question answer according to your interest and your profile. So these two questions will your homework for our next case interview session. I'm sending you details on your WhatsApp. Okay, thank you so much, all of you, for joining the for joining today's interview training session. If you have any question, please let me know. Okay, thank you so much, everyone, for joining.